Welcome to tonight's game, and here are the categories. First, we got historical women, then Star Trek, sports and activities, numbers, musicians, animals, tourist attractions, comic strips, Broadway, and finally countries. The category is historical women. Nicknamed the Maid of Orleans or Maid of Lorraine, this woman is a heroine of France for her role during the 100 Years' War and was later canonized as a saint. Unfortunately, she was captured by a group of French nobles allied with the English and burned at the stake in 1431 at the age of 19. Name that female saint. And that answer is Joan of Arc. Category of Star Trek. This actor holds the distinction of having the most directing credits for Star Trek, directing an impressive 28 episodes. Even though he was a regular on The Next Generation, he only directed 2 of those episodes. However, most of you know him as the host and executive producer of Reading Rainbow for 23 seasons. Either name the actor or the role he played on Star Trek The Next Generation. And that actor is LeVar Burton, who played the role of Geordi LaForge. In the category of sports and activities, what sport or activity are you doing if you require a helmet, camming devices, pulleys, hexes, carabiners, a harness, and rope, among other equipment? That activity is climbing or mountaineering. Category is numbers. In the birthday problem, if you sample this many people, there is a 50% chance that 2 of them will share the same birthday. The Earth's axis is tilted approximately this many degrees. This psalm is known as the Shepherd's Psalm. This number is also the 9th prime. Name that number, which is the number of pairs of chromosomes human cells have. That number is the number 23. The category is musicians. Saul Hudson goes by this one-word name and is known for his guitar playing, top hat, and wildly long curly hair. Name that musician who has been in Guns N' Roses, Velvet Revolver, and his namesake band featuring Miles Kennedy and the Conspirators. And the musician is Slash. In the category of animals, in Australia, police feared that criminal investigations may have been hampered by these animals' prints because their fingerprints are so similar to humans. This is unusual because this animal is not like a human at all. They are arboreal herbivorous marsupials. Name that animal found in Queensland, New South Wales, Victoria, and South Australia. That animal is the koala. Category of tourist attractions. 6 million cubic feet of water flow over Canada's Horseshoe Falls every minute at this famous tourist attraction. In March of 1848, water stopped flowing over this attraction because of a temporary obstruction at the mouth of a river in Fort Erie, Ontario. Name that romantic getaway at the border of Canada and the United States. That romantic getaway is Niagara Falls. Next category is comic strips. This American comic strip, created by cartoonist Schick Young, features the titular light-haired woman and her sandwich-loving husband. The Bumsteads have been in newspapers since 1930, and the comic strip shares its name with an American rock band famous for the songs Atomic, Call Me, and Heart of Glass. Name that comic strip. And the answer is Blondie. Category of Broadway. In this musical, overweight teenager Tracy Turnblad breaks the mold when she auditions to dance on the Corny Collins Show. This musical has had film adaptations released in 1988 and 2007. Name that musical set in Baltimore that also shares its name with a line of hair care products. And that musical is Hairspray. Our final question tonight is in the category of countries. These 2 countries border the most countries in the world, each bordering 14 other countries. These 2 countries are also on the same continent. Name either of these countries. And the answer is China and Russia. Thank you so much for joining us tonight. That's the end of our game. If you could send us a like or subscribe to the channel, that would be awesome. Also, if you have any categories that you'd like to see for next time, any comments, any criticisms, we'd greatly appreciate it. And hopefully we'll see you in a couple days. Thanks. See ya.